Hyderabad-bound bus fire tragedy, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. 25th October 2025. It was an early morning that began like any other in Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh. The date was Friday, 25th October 2025. The air was cool, the highway calm, and the first light of dawn had just begun to rise over the quiet village of Chinnatekur. Around 5:30 a.m., a private sleeper bus bound for Hyderabad was making its way along the Kurnool-Hyderabad National Highway. Inside were nearly 40 passengers, men, women, and children, most of them still asleep after a long night journey. Everything seemed peaceful until tragedy struck in a split second. A two-wheeler coming from the opposite direction suddenly lost control and crashed straight into the front of the moving bus. The motorcycle got trapped under the vehicle and was dragged for several meters along the road. What made this collision even more deadly was a simple but fatal detail: the bike's fuel cap was open. As the motorcycle was pulled underneath, petrol began leaking rapidly, spilling across the road. The heat from the bus's engine and the friction between metal surfaces created a spark. Within moments, the leaked fuel ignited, and a powerful fire erupted beneath the bus. In seconds, the flames spread to the diesel tank, triggering a huge explosion. The sleeping passengers were jolted awake in confusion and terror. Thick black smoke filled the cabin. Some people shouted for help, others tried to smash windows to escape. The driver and cleaner fought desperately to open the doors, but the heat and smoke made it almost impossible to see. Local villagers nearby heard a loud blast and ran towards the highway. But by the time they arrived, the entire bus was already engulfed in flames. The fire was so intense that no one could go near it. The vehicle burned like a torch in the dark morning sky. Firefighters and police from Kurnool and Kodamur rushed to the spot. It took them nearly an hour to bring the fire under control. When the smoke finally cleared, the sight was heartbreaking. The bus was reduced to a metal shell, its seats and luggage completely destroyed. 12 people, including the motorcyclist, lost their lives in this terrible tragedy. Several others suffered serious burns and were taken to the Kurnool Government General Hospital for emergency treatment. Investigators later confirmed that the open fuel cap on the bike caused petrol to leak, which ignited when it came into contact with heat and friction. Poor visibility at dawn and possible overspeeding may also have contributed to the accident. Authorities have launched a detailed probe and expressed deep condolences to the victims' families. Compensation has been announced for those affected. As the sun rose that morning over Chinnatekur, the highway lay silent, blackened by smoke, scattered with broken glass and burnt belongings. What began as an ordinary journey ended in an unimaginable tragedy. A powerful reminder that on the road, even a small mistake or a moment of carelessness can cost many innocent lives. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Thrashkin4U for more Thrashkin related contents.